This is my review for the Step 1 6.5-inch gusseted heavy-duty garment bag for travel. I was gifted this in exchange for my review, and I think it's fantastic. It's a garment bag, so you can put longer coats, suits, dresses, etc. in it. The key, though, is it has a 6.5-inch depth, so you can fit a lot. Like I just put in 5 sweaters, which would normally not fit in a garment bag. I'm adding in my toiletries bag and a couple pair of pretty sizey shoes. These are boots that take up a lot of depth, and a pair of running shoes fit in sideways. And what's great is the zippers work fantastic. They're easy to go up and down. They're heavy duty, and you can pack everything quickly. It has these straps that allow you to, carry the bags easily and unpack and pack quite quickly.